Okay, good morning, everybody. Happy Monday. Just get right to it. We're going to have a week where we're going to be looking at a informational article, and this one is about missions to Mars and possible missions to Mars and some of the issues about if there ever is a manned human beings going to Mars, some of the things it could deal with being in a spaceship for as long as they are. This is about 10-minute read or so. And after that, I just want you to answer the um, comprehension check questions and go ahead and send those to me in a document. Math is going to be
We're told a scale.
it's going to be scale drawings. All right. Looks like you got quite a few videos to watch. So if you need to break this up between today and tomorrow, I'm going to have this be the exact same tomorrow. So just do as much as you can today and then save some for tomorrow if you can't get to all of it today. Science, comparative embryology, starting on page 143, going to be going all the way to 146. Answer the two questions and send them to me in a document. French and Indian War is going to be our social studies for today on page 135. You're going to be reading all the way to 141. So go ahead and answer those questions. Don't worry about the locate questions, but everything else, go ahead and put it together. All right, guys. I hope you have a great day. Get in touch with me if you need to. Don't forget about our Zoom meeting tomorrow, and have a great Monday. Talk to you tomorrow.